Okay guys, here is my tent made out of gingerbread. There's the stations inside, the fireplace at the back. I've taken the roof off so you can see. And here are all the bakers and everybody from this season. Hopefully you're not mad at me for my rendition because these are very simplistic. Paul would say rudimentary, and he's right. So here we have Sally, beautiful Sally. Marissa, there's me, I'm kind of hiding. There's Dana, Helen. In the back we have Carlos, Sarita, Bianca, Brother Andrew, and Alex with the earring. I took the placement of the people based on that picture that we have from our first day on set. And then over here, we have our judges. Paul is here. Sherry. Here's Spice with his ooh-aha on his shirt. There's Emma. And then back here we have two very special people who know who they are. The red pants and the pineapple sweater give it away, I hope. Anyways, that is my gingerbread tent. Hope you guys like it.